The all-new Mazda BT50 made its first debut in Australia last June. Notably, its outgoing model has gone through 9 long years of being present in several markets. That's why it's about time this pickup gets a fully changed model. From being based in a Ford Ranger, Mazda has then shifted this collaborative effort with Isuzu, as BT50 is now based on the all-new D-Max, which currently sits as Thailand's best-selling pickup truck. Now, going over to the specifications, the same dimensions of the Australian spec BT50 shall also apply for the Thai-based model, respectively 5,280mm long, 1,870mm wide, 1,790mm tall, along with a 3,125mm wheelbase. The designers at Mazda have impeccably embodied the Kodo design language to the all-new BT50, given its limitations originally being an Isuzu as well as a pickup truck. With the overall styling and form that looks more SUV than a pickup, the all-new Mazda BT50 will stand out from the crowded pickup segment. The front end features a large grille, sleek headlights, and clean front spoilers similar to Mazda's latest SUVs, while body panels and rear light design have also been redesigned in order to appeal to Mazda's customers. The BT50 doesn't get the Mazda Connect infotainment system. Instead, it gets a different 9-inch touchscreen that still comes with the much-needed Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Sound is then emitted through an 8-speaker setup. In general, the interior looks subtle yet elegant, given the fine mixture of black and brown accents that are found on the dash, door sidings, and the seats. It comes with Isuzu's 3.0-litre turbo diesel capable of producing 190 horsepower and 450 Nm, as well as the fuel-efficient 1.9-litre turbo diesel with 150 horsepower and 350 Nm, offering an average fuel economy of 16.1 km per litre. Both engines are capable of running on B20 biodiesel. Customers can choose between a 6-speed automatic or manual transmissions, as well as 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive variants.